In this video, I'm doing another tablescape. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below and give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration. This collaboration is entitled Take Me to Paris. And it is hosted by none other than the Diva Dynasty. And today's host is Geraldine of Diva Decorating, and her co-hosts are Cynthia at Cynthia She's So Blessed, and Lynn at Lynn Lifestyle Living, Tammy at Me, Myself, and DIYing It, Alberta at Mysterious Alberta. Now, if you're not familiar with any of these ladies' channels, I will have the link to their channels along with the playlist down below in the description when it becomes available. Now, they asked us to follow the proper protocol for collaborations, and that information will be listed down below. Now, all they asked us to do was to decorate a tablescape in a Paris theme, and you must include an Eiffel Tower and use the colors pink in your tablescape. They also asked that you use the hashtag, which I'm going to run across the screen, hashtag Take Me to Paris 2020. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with for this tablescape, you know what to do. Stick around. Now here is my Take Me to Paris tablescape. Now the black tablecloth, that was from the Dollar Tree. The white placemat, that was from Pier 1 clearance. The pink charger came from Michael's a couple of years ago. The black plate, that I purchased when I first moved to Houston, so it's been like 20 years now, 25. I bought the whole set. And then the black and white plate, that was an eBay find. And then the I Love Paris plate, it was purchased online at a shop called, I think it's Cutie Bowls or Cutie Bools, something like that. I'll put the link to the website down below. Here I have the pink napkins, that was an eBay purchase. And then this is a beauty for me. I've been looking for some pink wine goblets, and I found these, and they are really soft pink or rosy pink goblet. I found those on Amazon. The box had 4 in it. You know, I'm gonna order another set because I wanted 6, but 8 is just fine. So I can make sure I keep those pink ones. And then, you know, all my table settings are the same. They're all identical. And then my centerpiece, the white garland, white flower garland, that was a big lot purchase maybe 2-3 years ago. And then the Eiffel Tower here, isn't that beautiful? I put a line of the string lights around it to mimic the real Eiffel Tower. And this Eiffel Tower, believe it or not, belongs to my niece. I went over and I saw it in her room, and I asked her could I use it for this tablescape, and actually it is a jewelry holder. Look at that. But I think overall my Take Me to Paris tablescape looks gorgeous because you had to have an Eiffel Tower and use pink. And I think I accomplished everything they asked for in this challenge. So tell me down below what you think of my Take Me to Paris tablescape. And as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying, you be blessed.